Alright guys, so today's video we're going to take a break from the normal audio products that I cover. This is just a very interesting piece of tech that I want to talk about. This isn't like a review, this isn't going into like all the deep specs on this device. This is me just talking about a display or tablet or monitor, whatever you want to call it, that I have added to the office. Now, the device I'm talking about is the Board A1. It's basically a 55-inch, what they call a smart display. It is 4K UHD, but it's a little bit more than just a display. It also has 20 points of touch, which makes it a oversized tablet. It also has a smartboard, which you see in a lot of classrooms. You see it in conference rooms. So I can just go up there and draw on it. I mean, it even comes with 2 styluses. And for a lot of you that don't know what I do outside of the channel, I also do a lot of digital design. So having a display that I can just go and sketch ideas on, and it also has different features in here that makes it where I can just scan it with a QR code so it sends it straight to my phone. And I can send it straight out to a client or, the people that I work for so that they can see these designs. And it just comes in really handy to have it all built in on the display, because the display also has Android 11.0 in it. So I have access to the Google Play Store, which already comes on it, which basically means I have access to every app that's on the Play Store that I can use on an oversized